Namaste, good morning to you all and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have learned some problems from exercise 1.3 and in today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from exercise 1.3. Let's begin with question number 9 of exercise 1.3. In a box of marbles, 3 by 8 of the marbles are red, 2 by 5 are blue and the rest are green. Of the red marbles, 2 by 9 are spotted. Find the fraction of marbles that are green, the second one red but not spotted. Given fraction of marbles that are in red color is 3 by 8, fraction of marbles that are in blue color is 2 by 5. We have to find the fraction of marbles that are in green color is equal to 1 minus of 3 by 8 plus 2 by 5. Okay. A. Fraction of marbles that are in red color is equal to 3 by 8. Fraction of marbles that are in blue color is equal to 2 by 5. Fraction of marbles that are in green color equal to 1 minus of 3 by 8 plus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 minus of, here the LCM is 40. 8 5s are 40. 40. 5 8s are 40, that 5 into numerator 3. So 3 into 5 plus 5 8s are 40, that 8 into numerator 2. 2 into 8 is equal to 1 minus 15 plus 16 by 40 is equal to 1 minus 31 by 40. Here the LCM is 40. So 40 into 1. 40 minus 31 by 40 is equal to 9 by 40. The answer is 9 by 40. Next, we have to find red but not spotted. Given fraction of marbles that are spotted is 2 by 9. So, fraction of marbles that are not spotted is 1 minus 2 by 9. Here, we have to find red but not spotted. 3 by 8 of the marbles are red. So, 3 by 8 into 1 minus 2 by 9. Okay. B. Fraction of marbles that are red but not spotted is equal to that red means 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into not spotted means 2 by 9 are spotted. So not spotted is 1 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 3 by 8 into, here the LCM is 9. So 9 into 1, 9 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 8 into 9 minus 2, 7. 7 by 9. Cancellation. 3 9s, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 7 by 8 3s are 24. The answer is 7 by 24. With that question, we have completed the first chapter. In the first chapter, we have learned properties of rational numbers and its applications and also solved some problems by using properties of rational numbers. Now move on to our second chapter, that is powers and exponents. Before starting the lesson, let's recall the basic concepts of powers and exponents. Suppose a rational number 8. 8 can be written as consider a rational number 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 power 1, 2, 3. 2 power 3. Here 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. In 2 power 3, 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Let's revise the laws of exponents. The first law, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here the bases are same, so we add the powers m and n. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. The second law, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Here the operation is division and the bases are same. So we subtract the powers. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Third law, a power m the whole power n is equal to a power m n. Here we have to multiply the powers m and n. So a power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. Fourth law, a power m into b power m is equal to a into b the whole power m. Here the bases are different and the powers are same. So we multiply the bases a and b. A into b the whole power m. A power m into b power is equal to a into b the whole power m. Fifth law, ab the whole power n is equal to a power n into b power n. We have to split a power n, b power n. So ab the whole power n is equal to a power n into b power n. Sixth law, a by b the whole power n is equal to a power n divided by b power n. We have to split a power n divided by b power n. Here condition is there, here the denominator b not equal to 0. The last law, a power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. So any number raised to 0 is 1. Now move on to the first question from exercise 2.1. Find the value of the following: 3 raised to 4, 2 by 3 the whole cube, 125 the raised to 0, 2 power 4 divided by 2 square. First question, 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 we have to split. Is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 81. The answer is 81. Next one, 2 by 3 the whole cube. A by b the whole power n is equal to a power n divided by b power n. The same way 2 by 3 the whole cube is equal to 2 by 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3. A by b, here a is 2 and b is 3. So 2 cube divided by 3 cube is equal to 2 power 3 means 2 power 3. 2 into 2 divided by 3 power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 times. 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 8 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 8 by 27. Third question, 125 raised to 0. We studied any number raised to 0 is 1. A raised to 0 is 1. So 125 raised to 0 is 1. Move on to the last one question. 2 power 4 divided by 2 square. The second law, a power n divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Subtracting the powers. So here the bases are same, so subtract the powers. 2 power 4 divided by 2 square is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 2. Subtracting the powers, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Second question, evaluate the following. 5 raised to minus 2, 2 square into 3 square, 100 square divided by 5 square, 2 power 4 into 2 raised to minus 2. First question, 5 raised to minus 2. Here we are going to use another law, a power minus m. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Here the numerator is minus. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So 5 raised to minus 2. Here the base is 5 and the power is minus 2. So use this formula, 1 by 5 raised to minus 2. So 1 by 5 square. A power minus m is 1 by a power m. So 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by 5 square is equal to 1 by 5 square is 5 multiplied by 2 times. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 1 by 25. The second question, 2 square into 3 square. So which property we can use? Here the bases are different. The bases are different. A power m into b power m is equal to a into b the whole power m. So we multiply the bases. Is equal to multiply the bases. Here the bases are 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 the whole raised to 2 is equal to 2 into 3 6. 6 square. 6 square means 6 multiplied by 2 times. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. The third problem, 100 square by 5 square. 100 square by 5 square. So which property we can use? A power n divided by b power n is equal to a by b the whole power n. A by b the whole power n. So it can be written as 100 by 5 the whole square. 100 by 5 the whole square is equal to, how many 5s are in 100? You cancel. How many 5s are in 100? 25s are 100. Okay, 20 the whole square is equal to 20. 20 whole square means 20 into 20. 20 multiplied by 2 times is equal to 400. Is equal to 400. The last question, 2 power 4 into 2 power minus 2 is equal to, here the bases are same. So which property we can use? The first property. If the bases are same, so we add the powers. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n is equal to 2 power, add the powers, 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 square is 2 into 2. The answer is 4. 4 is the answer. Move on to the third question. Simplify the following. Express your answer in the exponential form. First question, 1 by 5 raised to minus 2. Second one, 2 raised to minus 4 divided by 2 square. Third one, 2 raised to minus 3 into 2 raised to 0. First one, 1 by 5 raised to minus 2. So one more formula we are added in the list. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Here the denominator can be changed to numerator a power minus m. So 1 by 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as, here the denominator, the power of the denominator is minus 2. So it changed to numerator is 1 by 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as 5 raised to plus 2 or 5 square. 5 square can be written as 5 multiplied by 2 times. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. The next question, 2 raised to minus 4 divided by 2 square. Which formula? Okay. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Bases are same. Subtract the powers. Is equal to 2 power minus 4 divided by 2 square is 2 raised to subtracting the powers. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 is equal to a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So 2 raised to minus 6 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to, the sign can be changed, plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 6, 2 multiplied by 6 times. So 64, 1 by 64. One more question. 2 raised to minus 3 into 2 raised to 0. Here the bases are same. So which law? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Add the powers. Is equal to 2 raised to minus 3 plus 0. Is equal to 2 raised to minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. Is equal to a power minus m 1 by a power m. So 2 raised to minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2. The sign can be changed. Is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So 1 by 8. Next question. Number 4. Simplify 3 power 4 the whole raised to minus 3 divided by 3 raised to minus 2 the whole power 5. Second question. 3 raised to 0 minus 3 power minus 2. Third one. 7 by 6 the whole power minus 1. The first one, 3 power 4 the whole raised to minus 3. We studied your third law, a power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn, multiplying the powers. So is equal to 3 power multiplying the powers, 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 divided by 3 raised to, again multiplying the powers, minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Which law is used in this problem? Second law, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. The same way is equal to, here the bases are same, 3 raised to, subtract the powers, minus 12 minus of minus 10. 3 raised to minus 12 minus of minus 10 is equal to 3 raised to minus 12 minus into minus plus 10 is equal to 3 raised to minus 12 plus 10 minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2 a power minus m 1 by a power m. So 1 by 3 square is equal to 1 by 9. The answer is 1 by 9. The second question, 3 raised to 0 minus 3 raised to minus 2. Any number raised to 0? A raised to 0 is 1. So is equal to 1 minus 3 raised to minus 2. A power minus m 1 by a power m. The sign can be changed. Is equal to minus 1 by 3 raised to minus sign can be changed. Plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 square is 3 multiplied by 2 times. 3 into 3, 9. 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to, here the LCM is 9. 9 ones are 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 by 9. The answer is 8 by 9. The last question, 7 by 6 the whole raised to minus 1. 7 by 6 the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 7 by 6. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So 1 by 7 by 6 is equal to 6 by 7. The answer is 6 by 7. Today we have learned a new chapter, that is powers and exponents, and also learned laws of exponents and solve some problems based on laws of exponents. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, we will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.